Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL. Tonight, we're going to kick it off talking about Jamaica's leading corrugated box manufacturer. That's AMG Packaging, Paper and Company Limited, trading in their shares. Pretty sizable trade here, material trade here. The company states in an advisory that director sold 3.9 million shares on May 6th of this year. Now, what they do here, not all companies do it that are listed on the JSE, but we like what AMG has done. These shares represent 0.764% of AMG's outstanding issued share capital on the market. Now, Kingston Properties Limited, better known as K-Prit, their additional public offer, that's the APO, is extended. We don't typically see this too much in the marketplace, but it could be a good thing. Maybe there's some institutional investors out there who needed a bit more time. We're not exactly sure, but the bottom line here is advisory that the new closing date is scheduled for June. That's June 10th of this year. Now, Mayberry Jamaican Equities trading in their shares. You know, the trend is your friend, and in this case, MJEUC Connected Parties, managers, directors, typically on the buy side here, not just recently, but over the past year or so. In this case, Connected Party buying up just over 105,000 shares or units on May 5th. As we mentioned, you know, a lot of company insiders here, directors, so forth, been buying up the shares, really eating up that supply side. Now, Guardian Holdings here, ticker symbol GHL. We really call this one, you know, we said, listen, there's been some changes. We saw the whole CEO change a couple of months ago. You know, that happens more towards, you know, the end of this year. Then we saw, you know, group CFO, that's a change, and acting capacity. We carry that now, some advisors, some significant changes to the organization structure overall, and this is approved by the group board. So let's get into this now. Exciting times here. Mr. Eric Hosen, who presently holds the position of President Guardian Life Limited, will actually be appointed to a brand new role, position of Group Head of Life, Health and Pensions, and Miss Megan Miller-Brown will be appointed to the position of President of Guardian Life Limited. So some new action here, new blood. We're not sure, you know, in the latter case, if she's been part of the group overall and so forth. But the point is some changes, some change-ups happening here in the executive team at Guardian. You know, NCB Global in there, NCB Financial Groups through the global company in there. They want to see results. They want to see shareholder value. GHL, the results on the top line, the bottom line being a bit flat or fair. Now we're seeing all the shakeups happening. It typically means they're going to extract that value heading for the rest of this year into 2023. We like it on BL, on Business Live. Last up, Sagicor Group Jamaica, adding another strong quarter here. That's the first quarter. Earnings up 31% here, double-digit returns here for Sagicor. Talk about, you know, the powerhouse quarter over quarter, making it count here. They're hitting another stride here. $3.82 billion Jamaican of profit here for the quarter. Earnings per share, that's translated to EPS, 98 cents here for the first quarter. That's March 31st, 2022. The earnings growth year over year for the first quarter, we said it, 31%, a whopping number, way higher than the PE ratio there. Bottom line here, Sagicor Group Jamaica closes the quarter, $525 billion in total assets. Still way lower, 1 quarter or so, or 1/4 than NCB, but they're pumping out those profits there at Sagicor Group Jamaica. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.